Hello and welcome to a new video. I bring you a new way with which you will be earning money simply by browsing the internet. And don't worry, here you will not have to review a single site. Basically, the only thing you have to do is really surf the internet. I mean, there's not much you lose. You're just going to open a page and that's it. It's more than enough. Now, it's not a miraculous method that will make you a millionaire, but it is a method with which several people are getting paid. And in fact, if you miss the opportunity, you might not be making the most of it and simply be earning a few cents on the dollar. So I recommend that you watch the full video so that you can see all the information and not miss a single detail. The page they are going to be using is about this slice or a dislikes. Remember, you have the links in the description in the posted comment. This is an excellent page that actually has excellent reviews. You can check them here on Trustpilot so you can see the opportunities that you would be missing if you do not install this. And while you browse, we will basically pay you for this. It is an extension that is responsible for monetizing your browsing, and it is not like it is going to be taking advantage of your internet or something like that. In fact, it is simply going to show you ads which you will be able to charge here in slides. Install the application or extensions. Quite simple for it. You are simply going to choose your browser, and here you are going to add it to Firefox. It is available for Chrome, for Microsoft Edge, and many more browsers. And well, how does it work? You are simply going to install. The truth is that installing it is very simple. You are going to start to browse as you have always done, and new ads will be shown, something like this. Finally, receive your rewards. You will be receiving your profits, which you will be able to withdraw without any problem. Now, it is not a platform to become a millionaire because basically you are going to be earning about $5 and $7 a month, but because it is convenient for you to install it, because you are going to be surfing the internet anyway, so what better than to earn a few extra dollars for doing it if you are one of the people who, for example, spend at least 3 hours a day on the internet. Because the truth is that it is an excellent opportunity, but well, you have to keep that in mind, that basically the difference between you installing it and not is that they are going to be paying you to browse that in your way. You would be doing it, believe me, which is no problem. In fact, it is no problem. Basically, you are going to forget about that platform maybe for months, and when you go to collect, you already realize that you have $50 or $100 there waiting for you. And well, as you see here, you can see a little more information. For example, when you have paid, how much you could earn, what users are saying here. For example, what is this extension? How do they pay you? They can pay you through PayPal, and they will also add more payment methods. Now, for example, you can earn $3 to $5 each month. Yes, you can earn $10 to $15. But hey, install the application, even log in. Well, I'm telling you, it's basically installing. You register by clicking here on sign up, and everything is registered with an email account and your password. Now we do accept terms and conditions, and we will log in. As you see, the registration is to click here on sign up. You are going to move this so that it looks good, and that's it. Now we are going to put our verification code, which we received, to our email account, and as you can see, once verified, we began to generate our first centavitos, which would be 10 slides. Now here, for example, anonymous monkey appears, which would be, for example, our name payout, which we have, for example, PayPal and Bitcoin. And well, for example, there is a lot of United States, so look for Argentina. We have PayPal and Bitcoin. For Australia, Austria. We have here other Latin American countries, Bolivia, for example, the same PayPal here. We can continue scrolling down, and you will see all the options that are available. Chile, China, for Colombia, Cuba. You can even charge through Bitcoin, because even for Cubans, it is a good option. Now you can simply scroll down so you can see all the payment options that exist in the different countries, although practically in all of Latin America, it is the same. How they are going to be paying you? Well, once you have reached the payment threshold, you will be able to receive your money via PayPal or via Bitcoin. Here, a little more information. And that's it. Here you can see the active connections you have. For example, if you have several browsers, or for example, if you have several computers on each one, you can install the extension to start earning. Keep in mind that there is a trick for you. You could install it, for example, on your cousin's computer, on your family's computer, or if you have several computers in the house, install them on all of them. Also, keep in mind that you are going to be earning for each of those computers. So yes, it's not like I'm only going to be earning with one account. In fact, it could be an excellent opportunity to earn here. For example, if you have referrals, you can invite them It has a section even for creators, which we are quite interesting since, for example, I could join even you since the requirements are actually quite low. Here is a little more information. Look, we have here, for example, coming soon for YouTubers, and here you can see the crew, which, as I say, simply copies the link. That in fact you could invite all your friends. If you don't want to install the extension, well, you can simply invite them with your link, although you could also install the extension to each of them. The truth is that it is super cool, and anyone can start earning simply surfing the internet. Really doesn't have any science, but hey, right now you have to take advantage since it is paying, and paying quite well. See you in the next video.